Hindi ko alam kung saan nagsimula. Dati naman sa'kin balewala. Sa sandaling hindi ka masilayan, bigla na lamang natutulala. Tutulala. Teka lang, unti-unti na yatang naiibang. Tama ba tong aking nararamdaman? Teka lang, paano nagkaganto? Ikot ng aking mundo, puso na nga ba'y nahuhulog sa'yo? Sa unang salyak sa iyong mukha ay alam ko agad.
I thank God for blessing me with someone like you, someone I can trust, give me peace, and secure every day.
Sa bawat ngiti ng iyong mata ay
Michelle G. Alvarez Bellarmino. At first, I don't know how to write it. By B-H-A-I.
Grabe naman.
It's not a simple endearment for us. It composed of us as a whole. D. Bellarmino, H. Honrado, A. Alvarez, I. Ibanez. Like that, it's like a puzzle. We're not perfect. We don't have anything in connections. What we have now is what we built together from the scratch.
I promise to look after you, care for you, and I will be your partner and your safe place. I promise to pray for you, and together we will seek His will, His wisdom to guide us.
Mapapangako sa'yo, walang hanggang pagmamahal ibibigay ko. Hanggang sa pagtanda aalalay sa'yo, magtiwala ka lang, mahal ko.
I love your kindness behind those short temper. I love your memory that don't forget everything what I don't know. I love your high emotional intelligence, which is what I lack. I love your sense of direction whenever I am lost, literally. In short, I love everything of who and what you are.
As we reach this milestone, I look forward to the life we will continue to build, the memories we'll create, the challenges we'll overcome, and I can't wait to explore life with you.
Sana ikaw sa tunay na pahina ng aking libro. Kasama kang maglalakbay sa bawat yugto.
Tomorrow, July 1, our 13th years together. But instead of just counting the years, today just June 30, 2026, we choose to make it forever. 13 years of growing, changing, and choosing each other again and again.
Naaalalay sa'yo, magtiwala ka lang, mahal ko. Kay tagal hinintay ang araw na to na makita kang naglalakad at patungo ng altar. Dala ang ating pangako na tayo hanggang dulo.
So today, is it the start of our story? It's the continuation of something we already know is real. Malayo pa pero malayo. Because we know when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. Because for with Him, nothing shall be impossible. I love you, my wife.
Mapapangako sa'yo, walang hanggang pagmamahal ibibigay ko. Hanggang sa pagtanda aalala sa'yo, marinig ko lang sagot mong oo.
And no matter what life take us, through every season, my hands will always reach for you, and my heart will always choose you and be with you today, tomorrow, and always.